These are the new Pgytech MantisPod power and the actual Magnflex smartphone photography stand. And to make this review more compelling, well, I went outside in this late spring snowy experience for an actual vlog. And yes, I had tried to not get stuck in the snow and get back with some footage with these amazing devices. So let's get straight into this review. Small disclosure, yes, I have been sent these products from Pgytech to check them out and make a review of them. That said, let's get straight into this review. As you know, I have already reviewed the original MantisPod, and now we have the new editions called the Mantis Power, because yes, they have an incorporated battery where you can charge your devices like action cameras or cameras that you are connected with your MantisPod. Made mostly out of a pretty hard, durable plastic. With the 5000 mAh battery, you will be able to charge your device with this actual cable extension that goes straight out of the actual main body, straight to the USB-C port of your mirrorless camera, action camera, or whatever camera that have an USB-C port. The actual power pack output is 5 volts 2 amperes. And in the front we have an interesting remote control called the action camera RC. On different camera and selected options, you will be able to actually start recording, select some modes of your camera and actually start and press record the shutter. And this is actually pretty great for an additional usage when you're actually vlogging by yourself and you have to start recording by triggering the camera remotely. On the top we have a small ball head with vertical and horizontal shooting modes. And yes, there's also the useful lock safety. So you get a CapLock system for 1/4 screw mount cameras and the additional CapLock system that's actually used for action camera and GoPro style cameras. And yes, the great feature about the MantisPod is this actual extension plate that actually gets out from the bottom. And with this stand you will actually able to use the system in various occasions, hanging in various places where it will be more convenient and useful to film. Perfect for your vlogging experience. Another useful item that I'm using actually the last couple of weeks is this actual photography stand, the MagFlex from Pgytech. And yes, it's pretty useful and I'm using that all the time on my desk while editing. You get this pretty flat and thin metal ring that you attach on your smartphone or case. And then the tight connection with the case will actually happen automatically because it's magnetic and it's pretty sturdy, so it will hold your smartphone pretty well. And then we have this extension actual metal, so you can actually connect your charging device under it or actually use it just like a higher standing ground. And yes, even if used in this complete setup, it will not protrude and actually it's pretty compact to slide it in your pocket. But yes, if you don't desire and leave this at home or actually on your stand, this is actually pretty flat and it's actually seamless with your actual case or body of your phone. The base is completely made out of metal with an added strap, where you can slide in your fingers for a better smartphone hold. And yes, this photography stand also works horizontally for a widescreen watching experience. The first link in the description will guide you straight to the buying site for this new amazing tripod stand. So what I think about this? Well, this is an actually simplified version of the original Pgytech MantisPod with some added features and simplified plastic design. Charging battery 5000 mAh for your all-day usage of an actual action camera and added remote controller for an actual more convenient use when you are vlogging on the go. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I will be happy to answer to them. Till my next one, thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bell icon to get notified every time I make new video, and see you on my next one.